So the municipal court in Clermont County is the land of unsupportable rules that are not really valid. They have all kind of signs up inside that there's no recording allowed inside the building, in the hallways, anywhere. You don't see this in other courts, the level of restriction. There's always restriction in the courtroom. There's always some reasonable restrictions. But they also have this out front here, this no loitering. Okay, so if you wanted to stand out here, even if you wanted to leaflet and stand out here handing out leaflets protesting something about the court, you can do that. This is not legally supportable just to have a general no loitering sign here. But I'm going to walk back this way because I just noticed an even dumber sign that is rules for thee but not for me type of thing. There's a sign here that says no food or drink permitted beyond this point. So let's pretend that you had a bottle of water or a glass of water, okay? And you want to go up there and wait for somebody to come out of the court, okay? You're not allowed to bring it up there. This is another ridiculous, asinine, idiotic rule by a completely unaccountable and a dysfunctional court. So let's go up to here. So if I were to walk up here with a bottle of water, then technically I'd be violating that sign right there to have a bottle of water up here, or to stand here. I guess even standing here right now, I'm breaking a rule. So these are just inane rules that they have here that are not really supportable. This court has been rocked by scandal that they refuse to admit or acknowledge. They had a judge, Jesse Clermont, who was using his hot assistant for sexploitation both in and out of the court building. The court administrator at the time, Stephanie Boyer, actually was an active participant in a cover-up, and then Judge Jason Nagel was not forthcoming and lied to an investigator to protect Jesse Clermont. These people are about themselves, they're not about us. And this court now has two appointed judges who have never been elected, Nathan Little and Katie Terpstra. Katie Terpstra is now on maternity leave, so she is not here. And that leaves Judge Beckman, who increasingly is put between a rock and a hard place, and you end up with your guilt by association because she doesn't have the courage to basically, as administrative judge, act to really do real reform in this court.